My name is Darrell Barnes, and I'm a science teacher at a community college. So, with that being said, take all of this for what it's worth. The main barrier that I see to a Mars colony right now, which I'm going to call TerraRojo, is that whenever I look up in the sky in the daytime, I don't see a metallic geometric cluster orbiting regularly across the sky. I don't see an orbiting theme park. At nighttime, I don't see glowing lights swarming around this orbital space station, this spacious, glorious, magnificent space station. I don't hear students talking about doing spring break at TerraOrbit and that they already have their tickets booked. When TerraOrbit becomes daily conversation, ease of access, low cost, affordable, then we will have the technology intact to then go to the next step, TerraLuna. When TerraLuna becomes household discussion and becomes easy and not very risky, then we will most likely have the technology ready for TerraRojo. So, let me wrap this up in this brief introduction to these steps to Mars that I have in my mind. The main barrier to Mars colonization in 2021 is that I do not see an orbiting space station that is regularly used in a safe way, that has easy access and is highly affordable. That is why Mars colonization seems like a long way off. This is Brother Barnes.